Hi, this is part 5. I decided to continue. Alright, so let's keep going with go back to main project folder. We finished the foundation. Actually, let's take a look at the takeoff folder, what we did so far. Uh, these is, we started from the column footings, it's all the way down, continuous footings. Yeah, it's actually upside down because that's how I start, and you can rearrange them the way you want over here. Column footings, continuous footings, I say one face walls, two face walls, piers, slabs, and hunches. This is more like, and you have to check this formulas and change them to volume. Some of them doesn't come up. There's a bug we couldn't figure out yet. So column footings are 27 yards. That's here. Continuous footings 89 yards. And reinforcing inside is unit the right side. One phase walls 35. Walls are two phase walls. So many walls. 112. Sorry. Piers are 17 yards, 3,100 pounds rebar. Slabs this much, 7,200 square feet. Hunches, base plates, 31 base plates, and 2-inch rigidity station, 705 square feet. Now we continue with the slab on decks. Let's upload the drawings for the slab on decks. I don't know which drawings they are. Let's find out. Okay, we have 13-inch infills. We got some infill partial. All right. So we have to load all the S drawings. F4 drawings was for the foundation, and we took care of those. All right, let's upload them. We'll find the bits. Garden City documents latest. ISDs. Don't select all. Does this work though? Now we have to wait for them to upload. Hold on a second, my dog is snoring behind the. I send them to other room. All right, and this is another tab. It's called Rebar tab, and it shows how much rebar we got so far, and you can see all the notes for the rebar. These are all the rebars you entered. I entered actually. And that's where we're gonna get the drill and epoxy bars counts when we're pricing them. Okay, let's go back to where we at. Alright, drawings uploaded. They don't come with the page names, they're strange. Alright, let's see. This is FO400 again. I don't need that page. Delete. This is 401. this was again FO series. Okay, I want to see the column schedule for a second. And that's fine. Slab on decks. Okay, here. Scale on this 1/8 again. And page name is, let's close this, S102, page number. And what's going on here? Let's see. Top of slab is 14. It says MD, 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 MD. MD here, everywhere MD. MD here. MD. And MD here. So everything looks like MD. What's MD? Indicates metal deck span direction. Huh. Doesn't help. This is what we're looking for. Landing construction Shelby. Landing slab. Nah, this is not what we're looking for. This is for landing. 5-inch concrete slab on total depth is 5 inch, so it's 3.5 inch plus 1.5 inch deck. With that, top of this shall be 5-inch below top of slab. Top of still shall be 5-inch below, so total thickness of the concrete is 5-inch. Indicates moment connection. Where does it say 5-inch? We already know it is 5 inch. This is landing. Okay. That's the knots for landing. Alright, here it is. So it is 3.5 inch plus 1.5 inch, same construction with 6644 wire. Beams equally spaced. BP indicates beam pockets. Is 600 for the beam pockets. Let's look at this pages. This, what does it show? 700. It shows some deck reinforcing for the CMU. So this is for the CMU. I don't need that one right now. Okay, this is S602, and it shows there are some reinforcing on the deck. Detail 1, where facade anchors is embedded into slab rebar to be coordinated with insert location. Okay, detail 2, and they have 3 number 4 18-inch on center and additional number 4, so 4 number 4 at the perimeter. This one has the 5 number 4 at the perimeter plus 2 number 6 at each side of anchors. 2 number 6 at each side of the anchors. This is the detail right here. This is the facade anchors. So this is the anchor location, block out. So they're gonna be plate. There's gonna be 2 number 4 and 3 number 4 back and 2 number 6 at each side. So where this applies to, and this regular reinforcing is number 4 at the perimeter. So facade detail is this. Where the facade is other places you're gonna have either this and that rectangle. This is where A is what? Up to 4 inches. A up to 4. T up to including 6 1/4 T. T is the thickness of the slab. We got 5 inch over 4 to 5 inch. Gauge die over A dimension 4 inch to 8 inch. Gauge template for A equals 6 inch or greater. Provide number for 18 inches at the top. Okay.